application to flow problems, right? So here we can write the real part pi, nothing but here potential function. Next, psi nothing but stream function or flux function. So W is equal to f of z, which is equal to pi plus I psi. So pi in terms of x and y, psi in terms of x and y. We called it as a complex potential. So complex potential nothing but analytic potential, analytic function. So previously ಅದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಪೈನ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಸೈನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, psi becomes stream function or flux function. W is equal to f of z, which is also equal to pi of x comma y plus I into psi of x comma y with the complex potential, right? So ಈ keywords ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? Next, problem number 1. An electrostatic field in the xy plane is given by the potential function pi is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. Find the stream function, right? So here potential function pi they given, that is what, 3x square minus y cube. We have to find its stream function. Stream function nothing but psi we have to find, right? So pi potential function we shall consider 3x square y minus y cube. So pi with respect to x partially. So pi with respect to x partially, y treated as a constant. So pi differentiation with respect to x, it becomes 6xy. Y cube differentiation 0. Next, pi function with respect to y partially. Y partial nothing but x treated as a constant, right? X differentiation here, see, observe carefully here, x treated as a constant. So y we have to differentiate. Y differentiation 1, 3x square keep as it is, because 3 and x square both are constant, right? So 3x square differentiation of 3x square y is 3x square minus y cube differentiation with respect to y, obviously y cube differentiation is minus 3y square. So pi x and pi y we have to find psi. So that's why by using CR equation. So CR equations usually we have here what, ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy we have. So that's why instead of ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy, so we have to use here pi x is equal to psi y and psi x is equal to minus pi y. Instead of u and v, here ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ pi and psi ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, right? See, pi x is equal to psi y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so in place of pi x we have to substitute pi x value, psi y is equal to pi x we have to substitute, psi y is equal to pi x value 6xy. Yeah, pi y is equal to what, pi y we have to substitute here. So psi x is equal to minus pi y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ pi y ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ minus 3x square minus into minus plus 3y square. So we get psi y and psi x. So we want here psi, so that's why integrating with respect to y. So psi y integration of psi, right? Psi function with respect to y partially. Psi is equal to integration of 6 into x into y into dy plus f of x. So because integrating with respect to y ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so x treated as a constant, right? Already previous ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನ. So that's why we shall take here f of x. Similarly, integrating with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x, y treated as a constant. Y treated as a constant. So that's why here g of I we shall take its constant. So usually in ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ c ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. So with respect to y ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ f of x as a constant. With respect to x ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ g of I be the constant. Integration ಮಾಡಿ. With respect to y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. 6 and x both are fixed. Integrating with respect to y, y integration y square by 2 plus f of x. Integrating with respect to x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minus 3 keep as it is, x ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x square integration x cube by 3 plus 3y square keep as it is, integration of 1 with respect to x, right? g of I, 2 1s are 2 3s are, right? 3x y square plus f of x minus 3 get cancelled, minus x cube is remaining plus 3y square x plus g of I. So already we know that we look for functions of x in second expression, we look for functions of y in first expression, right? f of x ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ minus x cube and g of I is equal to 0 we have, right? G of I is equal to 0 because ಇಲ್ಲಿ y terms ಯಾವಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why g of I is equal to 0. Next we shall consider psi. Psi is equal to first expression ಆದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3xy square f of x is equal to we have a minus x cube. So pi ಸಿಕ್ತು and we have to find its stream function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ psi, that is psi is equal to 3xy square minus x cube is the stream function. Next problem number 2. If the potential function is log of x square plus y square, find the flux function and the complete potential, sorry, and the complex potential. See, observe carefully here. Potential function no, flux function no, complex potential. Potential function no pi, flux function no psi, complex potential no w is equal to f of z, which is equal to pi plus I psi, right? See here, problem number 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, we have to find psi and complex potential w is equal to f of z. So pi is equal to log of x square plus y square. So pi x and pi y we have to find. So pi function with respect to x partially, pi function with respect to x partially, log of x square plus y square differentiation 1 upon x square plus y square with respect to x partially endaga x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation 0. So pi function with respect to y partially ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so 1 upon x square plus y square, x square differentiation 0, y square differentiation 2y. So pi x and pi y we have, so we want here psi, so we have to use the CR equations. So pi x is equal to psi y and psi x is equal to minus pi y by using the CR equations. So in place of pi x, psi y is equal to in place of pi x we have to substitute 2x upon x square plus y square. So in place of pi y, so minus is there, so pi y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2y upon x square plus y square ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ psi x is equal to minus 2y upon x square plus y square. Next we want here psi, so that's why integrating with respect to y. Integrating with respect to y, x treated as a constant, so 2x keep outside, 1 upon x square plus y square into dy plus constant f of x. So in this case, integrating with respect to x, so psi x integration psi, because the differentiation and integration get cancelled, psi we have minus 2y we can write outside, integration of 1 upon x square plus y square into dx plus g of y. Next year integrate ಮಾಡಿ 2x keep as it is, integration of 1 upon x square plus y square, so we know that already. This is of the format with respect to 1 upon a square plus x square form, right? 1 upon a square plus x square form, 1 upon a square plus x square form ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So similarly with respect to y ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 upon x into tan inverse of y by x plus f of x, right? See, minus 2 keep as it is, minus 2 and y keep as it is. This is of the form 1 upon a square plus x square. So obviously 1 by y into tan inverse of x by y plus g of y. So f of x, 2 x cancel, y cancel, 2 tan inverse of y by x plus f of x. So minus 2 tan inverse of x by y plus g of y get cancelled here, right? So f of x, we look for functions of x, or we look for x terms in the second expression, we look for y terms in the first expressions. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ x terms ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ y terms ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ f of x is equal to 0, g of y is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ is psi is equal to t inverse 2 tan inverse of y by x plus f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, minus 2 tan inverse of x by y, so plus g of y is equal to 0. So 2 tan inverse of y by x minus 2 tan inverse of x by y, both are same. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x by y ಇದೆ, y by x ಇದೆ, so this is y by x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಇದು again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Clear? So that's why we shall consider the flux function psi is equal to 2 tan inverse of y by x. So flux function or stream function psi is equal to 2 tan inverse of y by x. Next, further we have to find its complex potential. So complex potential we shall consider omega is equal to f of z, which is equal to pi plus I psi. So pi already we have, so the given is pi, right? Log of x square plus y square. We have already psi, right? That is a 2 tan inverse of y by x. Pi and psi we have to substitute. We have the working precision, x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. We have to substitute, right? Log z square, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Tan inverse of 0 value is 0. We have only log z square. Log z square, this is of the form log m to the power of n log m. So log z square can be written as 2 log z. So this is what flux function and its a complex potential. Flux function psi and its complex potential W is equal to f of z. Next problem. In a two-dimensional fluid flow, if the velocity potential pi is equal to e power minus cos y plus xy, find the stream function. So obviously here also they given here velocity potential, nothing but pi, right? Next we have to find its stream function psi we have to find. As usual, we shall consider pi and pi x and pi y we have to find. Pi function with respect to x partially e power minus x differentiation minus e power minus x cos y keep as it is. With respect to x partially x differentiation 1 into y keep as it is. Pi function with respect to y partially, right? E power minus x keep as it is. Cos y differentiation minus sin y plus with respect to y partially y differentiation 1 x is constant keep as it is. Again we have to use the CR equation. So psi y is equal to pi x, we have to substitute here, right? Next psi x is equal to minus of pi y, minus into minus plus e power minus x sin y minus into plus minus x we have to substitute. Integrating with respect to y, integrating with respect to y and integrating with respect to x, integrating with respect to y, psi is equal to. Next year, with respect to y, minus e power minus x fixed, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. y ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಸಾರಿ, y ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ y ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ y ಪ್ಲಸ್ y integration y square by 2 plus f of x. Similarly here, integrating with respect to x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ y terms fixed ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, x term ಮಾತ್ರ integrate ಮಾಡಿ. Minus e power minus x, right? Integration of minus e power minus x integration is minus e power minus x by minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus by minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So obviously it becomes what? Minus e power minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into sin y keep as it is, x integration x square by 2 plus g of 5. Next we look for term f of x and there nothing but x terms in second expression ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, minus x square by 2 ಇದೆ. g of 5 nothing but what, y terms in first expression y square by 2 ಇದೆ. We shall consider this side or we shall consider this side, right? Answer will be same. So first function ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, first expressions ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ psi is equal to minus e power minus x sin y plus y square by 2. F of x is equal to, we have here minus x square by 2. So that's the required stream function. Actually we have to find here stream function, so we will get here stream function. So in these two terms 1 by 2 we have to take out y square minus x square minus e power minus x into sin y is the required stream function. So last problem, prove that pi is equal to x square minus y square and psi is equal to y upon x square plus y square are harmonic. Are harmonic functions of x and y, x comma y, but are not harmonic conjugate, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ we have to find its harmonic function, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 0, psi xx plus psi yy is equal to 0. And it is satisfy Laplace equation, right, for both pi and psi, right? Next, but are not harmonic conjugate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ರೈಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, psi ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ pi is equal to x square minus y square ತಗೊಂಡು psi y upon x square plus y square ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ these two are not harmonic conjugate ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ psi ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ pi ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ pi ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ psi ಬರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ these two are not harmonic conjugate ಅಂತ, right? So first part it's very clear, we have to find it's harmonic. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ pi ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸೊ ಪೈ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Pi is equal to x square minus y square. So pi x we have to find x square differentiation 2x. One more time we have to differentiate. So pi x is equal to 2 1. 2x differentiation 2. Similarly, pi function with respect to y partially minus 2y we have. One more time we have to differentiate. So minus 2 we get. We want here pi xx plus pi yy. Right, we can add these two, answer will be 0. So obviously pi is harmonic because pi satisfy its Laplace equation, right? Laplace equation think about what here, pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು answer. Similarly, so pi is harmonic ಆಯ್ತು. Next we have to prove psi is harmonic. Psi is equal to y upon x square plus y square is there. So psi we shall consider. So y upon x square plus y square with respect to x partially ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ with respect to x partially y treated as a constant. So ಜೊತೆಗಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Answer will be 1 upon x square plus y square differentiation minus 1 upon x square plus y square whole square into x square differentiation is 2x y keep as it is. So next time you have to differentiate here, we have to apply u by v rule, right? We have to apply u by v rule. So numerator keep as it is, differentiation of denominator. So minus 2xy is there, x differentiation 1 minus 2y we can write. So minus numerator minus 2xy keep as it is, differentiation of denominator is 2 into x square plus y square into x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation is 0 because y treated as a constant, divided by x square plus y square, denominator whole square already power 2 is there, so again it becomes whole square and there it becomes what, 4. Next 2y into x square plus y square we have to take out. So in this expression 2y upon x square plus y square we have to take out, remaining we have this. So numerator x square plus y square, denominator x square plus y square, one term get cancelled. So finally we have here 2y into minus x square plus 4x square, obviously 3x square, minus into plus minus y square upon x square plus y square whole cube ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Consider equation number 1. This is a psi xx. Similarly, the psi function y upon x square plus y square with respect to y partially. So with respect to y partially, again we have to apply product rule here, right? So numerator, denominator keep as it is, differentiation of numerator. So differentiation, y differentiation is 1, right? Y differentiation was 1 minus numerator keep as it is, right? So y keep as it is. So differentiation of denominator, y square differentiation is 2y. So after simplification, x square plus y square minus 2y square, y into y, 2 into y into y, it becomes 2y square minus 2y square plus y square minus y square we have. Psi y is equal to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square whole square. Next we have to find, one more time we have to differentiate, again we have to apply u by v rule. Denominator x square plus y square whole square keep as it is, differentiation of numerator x square differentiation 0 minus y square differentiation minus 2y minus half, numerator keep as it is, differentiation of denominator 2 into x square plus y square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into x square differentiation 0 y square differentiation 2y upon x square plus y square whole square ಇದೆ, so to the power of 2 obviously it becomes 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Numerator 2y into x square plus y square we have to take out, remaining x minus half x square plus y square minus 2 into x square minus y square remaining part. Numerator x square plus y square, denominator x square plus y square, one term get cancelled. So finally we have here ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, minus x square into minus 2x square, so minus 3x square, minus into plus minus y square, minus into minus plus 2y square. So obviously plus y square we have here. So adding 1 and 2. So ಒಂದೇನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ psi x is equal to this answer 2y 3x square minus y square ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 3x square plus y square ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ which is equal to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So obviously psi is harmonic. So first part is very clear, pi is harmonic, psi is harmonic is over. Next are not harmonic conjugate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ psi ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, psi ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ pi ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So let us find the harmonic conjugate of pi is equal to x square plus y square. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೈ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ psi ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, harmonic conjugate y upon x square plus y square ಬರಬೇಕು. Then only we can say that it's harmonic conjugate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ pi is equal to x square minus y square with respect to x partially 2x with respect to y partially minus 2y. We have to use the CR equations. Psi y is equal to CR. Psi y is equal to ತಗೊಂತೀಯ pi x ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ 2x we have to substitute. Psi x is equal to minus pi y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Psi x is equal to minus pi y and minus into minus plus 2y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Integrating with respect to y ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ psi ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2x outside integration of 1 with respect to y plus f of x. Integrating with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದರೆ psi ಇರುತ್ತೆ 2y constant to keep outside integration of 1 into dx plus g of y. Integrate ಮಾಡಿ integration of 1 with respect to y y f of x. Integration of 1 with respect to x x plus g of y. So we look for functions of x in second expression, we look for functions of y in the first expressions, both are 0 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ y ಇಲ್ಲ. So obviously psi a ಮತ್ತು psi is equal to 2xy because f of x is equal to 0. Psi is equal to 2xy because g of y is equal to 0. So unique expressions ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So psi is equal to 2xy ಬಂತು. Actually psi is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ y upon x square plus y square ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the harmonic conjugate of pi is equal to x square minus y square is psi is equal to 2xy ಬಂದಿದೆ. And psi is equal to we have its harmonic conjugate y upon x square plus y square ಇದೆ by data ಇದೆ given dataದಲ್ಲಿ. So that's why we conclude that pi and psi are harmonic functions of x comma y but are not harmonic conjugate, right?